Good morning, Mommy.
Good morning.
Good morning. So today, we have another celebration. Magmumukbang kami ngayon.
Spicy.
Yeah,
Challenge.
Filipino foods mixed with African food. So we are invited some of our few friends from Bochebelo and some other places. So hinihintay lang namin sila. Of course, I'm with Ate Edgeline.
Hello.
Going to help me today to cook all of this, food in the table. Ayan, magbabray kami ngayon. Wala pa lang laman. So, magbabray kami, magmunggo, magpansit, at mag-adobo. At saka, mag-potato salad, mga cucumber, and what else? Cucumber with tomato salad and some fruits. Ganon. So, let us check. My Lippy, say hi first.
Hello! Welcome to our channel.
Ayan na. So, siya yung task niya ay mag-bray. Ayan. Yun yung trabaho niya at namamalengke yan ng maaga. Hey! For the good friendship.
Don't down it, eh?
How we gonna drink this? All of it?
No. You just sip it. Enjoy it.
Just one, sip one.
No, thanks.
Okay. Sip.
Okay, sip, yeah. Kampai. Bottoms up.
Okay, not bad.
No!
It's not bad.
You taste the what is the sainty?
The raisins.
Yay! Salud! Kapay!
No.
Pero may gana kaming magluto ngayon. Hi! They're sitting under the sun. Super cold.
Time is up and I'm calling up my friends. Ain't no wonder why, ain't no wonder why too. Here we go again. Call me up and you wanna be my friend.
Wow. And can you elaborate on the spices?
It's non-existent at the moment,
Really?
except there's onion. I don't know, these Filipinas is supposed to give me some
No meat, no
spice
onion, yeah?
there, but I don't know what spices.
Yes, you can choose between chili and chili.
Whoa! And garlic and chili.
Yeah,
Or what?
and cilantro.
Okay.
And cumin.
Seems to me.
Cumin, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
And soy sauce.
Sweetie bird.
Very important. Very important.
Yeah. Koffie krab, man. Koffie krab.
Oh, be careful, that is very nice. Ons ruimte vir ietsie wat kan brand, dis baie lekker aan paksels.
We like one of those. But this starts to look nice now. Hey, there goes the carrot.
Oh, finishing. Hallo.
Hey,
This is Master Chef Bloemfontein. He's busy with stir fry.
A turbo stir fry.
Turbo stir fry. Yes.
Okay.
It's colorful, it's very nice.
Fragrant. Got soy sauce. Gordon Ramsay.
That's what I said, yes.
Thank you so much, babe.
Pleasure. What do we have here? We have pork. What do you call it? Sasatis on the skewers. We have chicken. Yeah, this is the pancit canton with chicken. What is this one?
With bihon. And this is chicken adobo, guys.
Okay, and this one?
Yeah, and that is mungo.
Nice. Salad.
And this
Tomato.
is spaghetti with cucumber. A piece of rice.
Oh, rice and then also last but not least.
Potato salad.
Ta-da-da-da.
We are ready now for our mukbang! Filipino food with African food. Okay, Sana na lang.
Which one is African?
Ito lang, bray. It's bray only and potato salad. Libe,
Africans, a Filipino po. Ano? Africans.
African.
Which one is the African?
This one. Andre. Yeah, but chili, Andre.
That's it too.
Yeah.
May tatlong small one.
Thank you, Lord, for the food, and thank you for family and good health, and bringing us all together to enjoy this day. Amen.
Thank you, Lord. Thank you. Bitsy.
Anyway, you want, don't worry.
Mommy, they haven't entered you, but about 30 minutes they're going to. Yeah, but
Isn't there enough space?
It's just easier for going down there.
Yeah, she was hungry. I asked Kaden, di ba, Kaden? You are hungry, Kaden? Yeah. See?
You want to eat some fried rice?
Always.
There's a plate for you, there's a plate for you, there's a plate for me, there's a plate for you.
Help yourself, guys.
Thank you.
Self-service.
Wow.
I'm not a big eater, you know?
Maar moet nou niet teruggaan, jongen.
Yeah.
I also don't like chilies, I just love them.
I love it.
You also like it?
No, like is an understatement. Chili is my life. Chili and
That's
boli.
the good thing,
Well,
Mommy.
really,
I went to
Andre,
Metro
actually-
yesterday.
Oh.
So, Mommy asked me, want to chili? Yes, please.
Je moet, als je braaf genoeg is, wat zo splash van die habanero.
Oh yeah, abonero. That's nice.
Hij vertelt nog al een story hoor.
Oh, I'll get second. Why must I sit there? Can I not sit here?
Ja, het is een beetje...
I'm plastic
It's
phobic.
a lake here.
You can sit close to me if you want to hold my leg.
Hij is een beetje van de buiten. Hij is like...
Vandre can sit
Hij
there, I can
brand
sit here, you sit here.
Ja.
I can sit
denk
there,
je moet
my
hem nog
mother
iets,
and this.
Ja, je moet dus...
Oh, it's cold at night. Put this knife there at the meat.
It packs a punch, man.
It's dangerous. You want to taste it?
It's fun that it's there.
Just put your finger in and try.
Oh.
Small, small.
You see the ice there? You see the ice there? The mouth and the ice.
That's very strong.
Sorry, you were too quick. I tried to warn you.
Maybe you put it
It's
there.
good, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, take
Very
a chili.
challenge. Oh no, I cannot eat that. In the
Too much.
It is quite a challenge, I must say.
I got it. Taste it.
This is stunning. Stunning. Very nice. I like this.
I forgot to put the black pepper. Yeah.
I think it tastes right. Perfect like
Dit
this.
is een beetje op steroids trouwens.
Yeah,
Something is burning. Oh, I like it.
Okay, where did you buy that? Checkers. Ano pangalan?
Habanero.
Yeah, that's
Nice.
It's a family of the ghost, actually.
Yeah, it's burning.
It's got a, like a... Yes, perfect timing. Perfect timing. Perfect timing.
Jij moet een leer, ik heb er gezegd, gaan een leer Afrikaans, maar eerst dat ik doe.
Hey, welcome to my food.
Wow. This is a feast, Ultra. Thank you for having us.
Thank you for coming. This will not be a feast without any of you. So thank you. And thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
If you like spicy.
I like it. It's a different. Yes, it was different. It's not like the
It's
other.
different chili.
Yeah.
It's a family of the ghost chili.
The kebab is very nice. Twice is nice, nee?
Why is this nice?
Before you. Yeah, all I know is from the zoo experiences that things, even here at this zoo, they had bears as well.
You know, this was
They
good.
can eat you and things and bite you and stuff, but what the people do is when they come too close to the cage, that muscles of that lion with that hand can
Oh yeah, very.
when it grabs you and it gets you, when it pulls back, it
Through the wire.
it takes you, it rips it off.
My
Wow,
experience
like
of the
it's
zoo.
it grabs there.
And then
Pull out.
and then your
Yeah,
arm is
You don't
gone.
play with that animal.
Yeah,
It's not a pet, eh?
No, you know, my experience with the zoo is the ticket is very expensive.
You used to jump over the fence.
How will that taste, you know?
Where did you get your friend?
And then we're sitting there.
He spent too much time in Thailand.
Eating noodles. It
Must be the noodles.
must be the noodles.
It won't be the rice.
No, noodles.
Is there more noodles?
No, they know how to make noodles. I'll tell you that.
Do you know where Philippines is exactly when you met Sheila, or you don't know?
Now I do research. I printed a map. I've got a map
Yeah.
with the whole printed thing that I did the entire thing and then I checked all the islands.
Never.
You and Emil can be very good friends because
I never knew where the when I met my wife, or when
you must
I
teach
went to
Emil geography and
when
you
I went to Abu Dhabi, I see a lot of Filipino. Because when you're born in Bloemfontein, South Africa, if you see someone with strange eyes, it's only Chinese or Japanese. That's it.
just
That's
what
all you get.
exactly are you trying to say again?
No. I'm still
Be
saying that
careful
one.
with the eyes. You know that the eye subject
No,
is
but
very.
it shows you what I'm trying to tell us is the mentality of our people here in the
The knowledge. Yeah.
The knowledge.
You have to be very clear.
They don't know about
Yeah.
North and South Korea and Vietnam.
It's
Thailand
Chinese or
and Laos and
Japanese. That's it.
Cambodia and Burma and
No, it doesn't exist. Japan and China. That's what
they
basically
mix
exists.
Japanese
that's what we
with
were taught in
Chinese.
school.
Yes.
And
They
then
have no idea.
No.
You know.
No,
So the
so
mind
when
is
my
side.
wife told me I'm from the Philippines, and she told me, do you know where it is? I'm like,
long ago time,
I'm like,
the old people,
oh,
I didn't even know where the airport was, you know.
and they made us.
Emil actually asked me.
to my defense, my wife also didn't know where South Africa was.
Oh.
So, okay.
Sorry, you want to tell first.
Yeah, I was
teach you
interrupting
something,
you,
or
sorry.
do you want?
You must teach Robbie and Emil geography.
Old people used
What can
to
I
use
teach you?
sunlights.
Numbers, because it's between from 2 and 1.
I will say there's only one thing.
No, because he asked me, so where are you from? I told him Philippines, because like,
And he was also like, where's that?
where is that?
I was the same.
And I was like,
It's
I was really
someone
beginning to
that
get
is-
pissed off with him because are you trying to insult me?
No,
And
it's
then
not
the
insulting, it's
conversation went to food, and then he said to me, you know, milk? And I told him,
You'll see
Milk.
it will change.
yes, milk.
Myself,
I asked him, what is
my whole
that?
life.
It's milk.
that white stuff.
Yes, he said it's that white drink. No, I've never seen milk. Because it's supposed to be milk. He said to me, you know the thing that they used to make yogurt? And I told him, no.
Belgium, German.
When I go to the Philippines, when everyone there in Mandora is like, where you from? I'm from South Africa, but all they hear is Africa. And then they say, but you... Oh, I say, yeah, I also don't know. Because when in the Philippines they got a thing, if they see a white foreigner, hey Joe.
Yeah, hey Joe.
Yeah, no Americano, no, not rich, me, no. South African, very poor.
All the
And
gold is gone.
then the
Gold is
You've
gone.
got the light there, amigo.
And then when we go to the shop or we want to buy something,
7-Eleven.
something like or
It's
whatever,
money there.
and this one, I must go first because if
No,
they
I
know
hide.
that we
No, I hide behind the tree. No, because if they see me, they'll charge me double. And so I send my wife to the shop.
Pay in dollars. Who pays in pesos?
Yeah, and I don't have dollar. I don't understand. I've got rand. That's strong. I don't have dollar. So I'm waiting behind the tree, so I send my wife to the shop.
Sorry, love.
Budget.
You're going first. Sorry, my love. We cannot afford this.
So
You tried it.
we can't do shopping together.
No.
We can't afford it.
No.
But when I was with Sheila as well, all the taxis, everything you organized, she organized it, and she fights with them and argues about the prices.
The same like me.
Yeah, because they take advantage.
Yeah, of course
Totally, they overcharge.
Because all they see foreigner, yes, it's now gonna milk you, bro.
They will take advantage. Yeah, from the airport now, they say it's a meter. You have a meter, yes. Okay.
She said, okay, put it on.
Put
No,
it
it's
on.
not working. She said, where's your meter?
Look.